Dear students, in last video we have solved the problems from exercise 3.4. Also in this video we are going to solve the problems from exercise 3.4, that is integration by partial fraction. Let us solve the example, that is evaluate the integration of 5x square plus 20x plus 6 upon x cube plus 2x square plus x with respect to x. Now let us, I is the integration, that is equal to 5x square plus 20x plus 6 upon common out x from the denominator, we get x square plus 2x plus 1, and this is the x plus 1 whole square. Okay, and therefore the integration I equal to 5x square plus 20x plus 6 upon x into x plus 1 whole square. Now let us consider, suppose we have to solve this integration. Now let us solve the integration of, or consider this 5x square plus 20x plus 6 upon x into x plus 1 whole square, and by using partial fraction we can write it in the form of, that is a upon x plus b upon, this is x plus 1 whole square, that means this is the type of repeated fractions, that is x plus 1 repeated factors are there in the fraction, and that is x plus 1 plus c upon x plus 1 whole square. And now we can write, by considering or by taking the LCM at denominator, we can write this as a into x plus 1 whole square plus b into x plus 1 into x and plus c into x. Okay, in this way we will solve. Now by taking the value of x, find out the value of ABC. Let us suppose at x equal to 0, the value of from ABC, whatever, let us find out the value. So 5 into 0, 20 into 0 plus 6 equal to a into 1 plus b into 0 into anything is b into 0, and plus c into 0 is 0, and therefore a equal to 6. Okay, now at x equal to minus 1, let us find out the value. X equal to minus 1, 5 into minus 1 whole square is 5 plus 20 into minus 1 is minus 20 plus 6 equal to a into minus 1 plus 1 0 plus b into minus 1 plus 1 0 plus c into minus 1, and therefore 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 11 minus 20, that is minus 11 equal to minus c, and therefore the value of c equal to, this is 9, c equal to 9, that is 11 minus 20 is minus 9, minus c equal to minus 9, therefore c equal to 9. Okay, now suppose, now we have to find out the value of b. So take any value. Now suppose we will take x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, so 5 into 1 whole square is 5 plus 20 into 1 is 20 and plus 6, and that is a into 1 plus 1, that is 2 square is 4a plus b into 1 plus 1 2, that is 2, and plus c. Now let us calculate. We will get, so this is 26 plus 5, that is equal to 31. 31 equal to 4a, 4 into 6, that is 24. 6 into 4, that is 24, plus 2b, and plus 9. And therefore 24 plus 9, this is equal to 33. 31 minus 33, and that is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 equal to 2b, and therefore the value of b equal to minus 1. You can take any value when you will get the value of a and b in case of repeated, if the factors, in case of repeated factors. So when we get either two values of variable, then we can find out, or either, now suppose here we have got the value of a and c. So for finding the value of b, we can put any value of x, and for that value of x, solve the expression or equation by putting the value of a and c, and in this way we will get the value of b. Here we have got the value b equal to minus 1. And now the integration, that is, so here the term, that is 5x square plus 20x plus 6 upon x into x plus 1 whole square equal to the value of a. What is the value of a? Value of a is 6, and this is 6 upon x plus b upon x plus 1 and plus c upon x plus 1 whole square. So what is the value of b? The value of b is minus 1. What is the value of c? Is 9. Okay, in this way. And integration of this with respect to x equal to integration of this with respect to x. Okay, now consider the integration of all the terms separately. The first term, that is 6 upon x, take 6 outside. Integration of 1 upon x with respect to x, plus minus minus, integration of 1 upon x plus 1 with respect to x, plus 9 as a constant, and integration of 1 upon x plus 1 whole square with respect to x. Okay, now its integration is, so integration of 1 upon x with respect to x is log of x. Therefore this is 6 into log of x, minus integration of 1 upon x plus 1 is log of x plus 1 plus 9, and this is the integration of the form, this is integration of the form x raised to n with respect to x, and x is x plus 1, any x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So this is x plus 1 raised to minus 2. Okay, and therefore x raised to n, x plus 1 raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. That's why it will be x plus 1 minus 1 upon minus 1 plus constant of integration c, and hence the integration of 5x square plus 20x plus 6 x into x plus 1 whole square with respect to x is 6 into log of x minus log of x plus 1 plus minus minus 9 upon x plus 1 plus constant of integration c. Shift this to denominator, that will upon x plus 1, and hence this is the solution for the integration. Okay, now let us consider the another example. The another example is that is evaluate the integration of that is 1 upon x into 1 plus 4x cube plus 3x raised to 6 with respect to x. Okay. Now students, to solve this integration, first consider I is the integration of given integral, that is integration of 1 upon x into 1 plus 4x raised to 3 plus 3x raised to 6 with respect to x. So students, before going to solve the problem, here we can substitute the value. If we substitute x cube equal to t, then its differentiation is 3x square dx equal to dt. Okay, so to substitute this x cube equal to t, we have to make some adjustment here. So what will be the adjustment? See here. Suppose we multiply at the numerator and at the denominator by x square. Okay, if we multiply at n and d by x square, then see what will. So here x square dx, okay, at numerator x square dx and x square dx equal to dt by 3. Okay, the derivative will be adjust here, and at the numerator x into x square will be x cube. That means our adjustment will be successful and we can solve the problem easily, and that's why multiply at n and d by x square in the integration. Okay, multiply at n and d by x square, and therefore our integration I equal to, that is x square into dx upon x into x, that is x raised to 3 into 1 plus 4x cube plus 3x raised to 6 with respect to x. So if x cube equal to t, then differentiate with respect to x, we will get 3x square dx equal to dt and x square dx equal to dt upon 3. And hence the integration I equal to x square dx equal to dt upon 3 upon x cube is t, and this is 1 plus 4t square plus 4t plus 3t square. X cube is t and x raised to 6 will be t square. Okay, and now this is equal to 1 upon 3, take outside as a constant, dt upon t into. Now the factors of 3t square plus 4t plus 1, this is the quadratic polynomial, and its factors will be the factors, that is 3t square, and that is equal to 3t into t. Okay, and therefore the factors will be 3t square plus 3t plus t plus 1 with respect to t, and therefore the integration I equal to 1 upon 3 with respect to t, and that is equal to t into 3t plus 1 into t plus 1. 3t plus 1 into t plus 1. Okay, so 3t common out, 3t we will take common out, and that will be t plus 1, 3t plus 1. These are the factors. And now let us consider this is equal to 1 upon t into 3t plus 1 into t plus 1. So as now we can write this as in the form of partial fraction, that is a upon t plus b upon 3t plus 1 and plus c upon t plus 1, and this is equal to 1 equal to a into 3t plus 1 plus a into 3t plus 1 into t plus 1 into t plus 1. Okay, and plus b into t into t plus 1 and plus c into t plus 3t plus 1. Okay, in this way. Now for different values of t, we will get the value of ABC. So now put t equal to minus 1. At t equal to minus 1, 1 equal to a into plus 1 minus 1, 0, plus b into plus 1 minus 1, 0, plus c into minus 1, minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 2, and therefore the value of c equal to 1 by 2. Value of c equal to 1 by 2. And now here at t equal to 0, suppose at t equal to 0, so 1 will be as it is, a into 3 into 0 is 0, that is 1, plus 0 plus 1 is 1, plus b into 0 plus c into 0, and therefore value of a equal to 1. Value of a equal to 1. Now at t equal to minus 1 by 3. At t equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, so 1 equal to a into 3 into minus 1 by 3. 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is this will get 0. A into get 0. So here plus b into minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 and plus c into 0. Because 3 into minus 1 by 3, 3 get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 0, and therefore c into 0. Okay, now 1 equal to, so here 3 is a minus 9 plus 1. This is minus 3 get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1. This is a into 0. Okay, plus b into minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is LCM will be 3. Minus 1 plus 3, that is 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3 and plus c into 0. And therefore 1 equal to minus 2 by 9 into b, and therefore the value of b equal to minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2. And therefore we can write this one, or we have considered, we can 1 upon t into 3t plus 1 t plus 1 equal to a upon t. What is the value of a? Is 1, that is 1 upon t, plus b upon t, 3t plus 1. The value of b is minus 9 by 2 upon 3t plus 1 plus c upon t plus 1. c is 1 by 2 upon t plus 1. Okay, and now we have to solve this integration. Means now these are the values, and our required integration is that is integration I equal to 1 by 3 integration of dt upon t into 3t plus 1 into t plus 1. Okay, and this is equal to 1 by 3 integration of, the required integration is this, because the value of this is equal to this, and therefore integration of this with respect to t is integration of this. Therefore, required integration is 1 upon t plus minus 9 by 2 upon 3t plus 1 and plus 1 by 2 upon t plus 1 with respect to t. Okay. Now let us take their integration separately, and this integration I equal to 1 by 3 outside the integration of 1 upon t with respect to t minus 9 by 2 as a constant, 1 upon 3t plus 1 with respect to t plus 1 by 2 as a constant outside the integration, 1 upon t plus 1 with respect to t plus constant of integration c. This is equal to 1 by 3 integration 1 of 1 upon t is log of t minus 9 by 2 as it is. Integration of 1 upon 3t plus 1 is log of 3t plus 1. But 3t plus 1 is again differentiable function. Its differentiation is 3, and in case of integration we divide by 3. Plus 1 by 2 log of t plus 1 plus constant of integration c. Okay. And now this is equal to, simplify the integration, 1 by 3 log of t minus 3 into 3 3 is 9 get cancelled, 1 by 2 log of 3t plus 1 plus 1 by 2 log of t plus 1. Okay. And plus constant of integration c. Okay. And this is the integration, and this is the integration of the, and now the integration I equal to this is equal to, now substitute the value of t. We have substituted that x cube equal to t, and therefore 1 by 3 log of x raised to 3 minus, take 1 by 2 as common out, and by using rules of logarithm we can use log of x cube plus 1 upon log of x cube plus 1 upon 3x cube plus 1. Okay. By using rules of logarithm, and plus constant of integration c, In this way we can solve the integration. Also students, if we common out 1 by 6 from all the terms, then also we can simplify. Okay. Anyway, also we can write in this way, or otherwise if we common out 1 by 6, then here we multiply with x raised to 2, and that will be, if we common out here 1 by 6 from all the terms, instead of this if we common out 1 by 6, then the term will be here, that is 2 log of x cube, put the value of t as x cube, minus this log of that is 3x square minus log of 3x cube plus 1 and plus log of x cube plus 1, and by using rules of logarithm we can write this as directly integration I equal to 1 by 6 log of, that is 2 log of x cube, that is log of m raised to n formula, and this is log of x raised to 6 into x cube plus 1, that is addition in terms of multiplication, and upon 3x cube plus 1 in this way, and plus constant of integration c. In this way also we can write or we can simplify the given answer. This is also okay, and also the simplification like this also okay. Let us take an example as a homework problem for you students. The problem is that evaluate the integration of tan theta plus tan cube theta upon 1 plus tan cube theta with respect to theta. So to solve this problem, so common out, the hint is that common out tan theta from the numerator, you will get, that is tan theta into 1 plus tan square theta and upon 1 plus tan cube theta. So this 1 plus tan square theta will be sec square theta, okay, and this is tan theta into sec square theta upon 1 plus tan cube theta. So give the substitution for tan theta, okay, and then you can solve the problem easily. In this way you have to solve this problem, okay. Now the another example is also there. Take the another problem as a homework, that is evaluate the integration as a homework problem. This is the homework problem, that is integration of x square plus 2 upon x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 with respect to x, and this is the homework problem for you, okay students. So please solve these two problems as a homework and send it to me on my WhatsApp, okay.